Welcome to Ask Chef Gilles part 17. So today we will cook barramundi, pan-seared, a bit crispy skin, and show you how to do it the proper way. So we need a nice pan. Best you have a Teflon coated pan. So we have a nice piece of fish, a little bit salt, both sides, pepper. And then we dip the skin side a little bit in flour. Tap the excess of flour, so we just have a little bit of flour. And then we need a pan, the fire not too big, because we need to slow cook it so the skin has time to get crispy. A little bit clarified butter. So you can see the pan is hot, is sizzling, but it's not big smoke. We don't want it too hot. We don't want to burn the butter, because if the butter is burned, then the color won't be nice. So when the pan is hot, the butter melted, then we put in our fish. You can see right away it's fries, nice and gentle, but we don't have a big smoke. Yeah? So this should be now slowly frying like that. You can check if you use butter, you can see, make sure the color of the butter doesn't get dark. If you use olive oil, you can also do the same thing with olive oil. Then you need to control the temperature as well, so it doesn't smoke too much, so the olive oil doesn't burn. Olive oil or butter or any fat that's burned is not good, it's not healthy. So you need to be able to control your temperature. So we start. If you see that it's a little bit hot, we can make the fire a little bit smaller, because this fish is quite thick, so it needs some time to cook. So we want to cook it on 3/4 way on the skin side, and then we just turn it over at the last minute on the meat side, and then ready to serve. Our fish is nice and slowly frying. You can see the color is still light, but we still have only halfway. We still have another 5 minutes to go. So when we are like that, now we can start plating the rest of the plate. A little bit of couscous with some vegetable. So this goes in the plate first. Use a little ring so we stay nice and tight. So red capsicum or red paprika jus. Of basil oil. Some vegetable garnish to go on top of the couscous, a little bit lemon dressing. Always give some seasoning even on your herbs, so everything is nice and tasty. Take off the ring here. Some small radishes and beets with color, cherry tomato. And now we can see that the fish, of my fire stays very small. So the fish has nice and time to cook. And then you can see it's already 3/4. And we have a nice color now. That's what we're looking for. Nice crispy skin. So now we can turn it over. Then we just leave it 1 more minute. And then we're ready to serve. So to double check if the fish is cooked, just take a fork and you check if the fork goes in all the way easily without any resistance. That will mean your fish is cooked. And then it can go on the plate. And here you can hear nice crispy skin. Voila, so that's the first way to cook a nice piece of fish, pan-seared with a crispy skin, nice and juicy interior. Beautiful.